This is a mobile digital controller by Rexroth hydraulics and is also used by Bosch for their purposes. Models such as this mdc1 are used in heavy construction equipment for gear switches and have multiple channels for different controls and configurations. We did a full rebuild for this unit and got it to power on again. Sometimes this is enough for repairs, but for a full in-depth diagnostic, the accompanying display is required. This customer needed this unit quickly and we were able to get them up and running in less than a week. At ERD, we help preserve the value of equipment after the OEM either no longer supports it or pieces for the equipment become scarce due to various issues. We take great pride in maintaining systems that make a wide variety of products in several different industries.